Now to some other news. Murder suspect and Durham novelist Michael Peterson will face a second trial in his wife's death. 15 years ago, Peterson was charged with murder in the mysterious death of his wife, Kathleen. He would be convicted 2 years later, then released in 2011 when it was determined a blood analysis misled jurors on the strength of the evidence. CBS North Carolina's David Hurst was in the courtroom today and joins us now live with more on the judge's decision. David?
Yeah, Beershell, Michael Peterson and his defense team were in court today arguing that the mishandling of evidence is a reason why his murder case should be thrown out. However, a judge ruled today that that will not be the case, and both sides need to get ready for the retrial. Michael Peterson's daughter shed tears as the judge ruled a jury would once again try to decide Peterson's fate in the killing of his wife.
The defendant's motion is going to be dismissed.
Peterson's wife, Kathleen, was found dead in a back staircase in their Durham mansion in 2001. Peterson, who found her body, was arrested and charged with her murder nearly 2 weeks later. Peterson has maintained his innocence throughout the years, and during the first trial, his defense team argued the death was accidental after his wife fell down the stairs. A jury found Peterson guilty of murder in 2003. However, the conviction was overturned in 2011 after it was determined that a key witness lied on the stand about evidence. Now Peterson's attorneys argue evidence was mishandled, and it's in such bad condition it cannot be retested to potentially clear Peterson's name or determine another suspect.
We were hoping that this would be the end, but it's not. So we tee up and prepare for trial in May.
And Peterson is currently out on bond. That second trial is scheduled to begin in early May. Reporting live in Durham, David Hurst, CBS, North Carolina.